Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a sharp pencil and checking the hinge tension so the tool rotates without wobble. Place the metal point where you want the circle center. Use a ruler to set the radius precisely to 0, 5 inch or 10 mm. Once the radius is set, tighten the hinge just enough to hold distance but allow smooth rotation. This balance prevents slipping. Make sure your wrist steadies the compass while your shoulder provides the circular sweep, and begin drawing a light guide circle. You now draw the circle by keeping the pivot fixed and rotating the compass with even, continuous pressure. Abrupt pulls cause scalloped edges. Once done, use the same radius to transfer measurements. Clamp the hinge on a segment, move the compass to the target location, and scribe a mark. For constructions, create 2 arcs from different centers so their intersections form accurate points. This method gives you perpendicular bisectors, equilateral triangles, and precise intersection points for further. You finish by selecting the lines to keep, inking them carefully with a steady hand while the compass guides remain as reference. After ink dries, erase the pencil constructions softly so you don't smudge the final work. If lines wobble or circles run off, check the hinge tension, sharpen or replace the needle point, and verify the radius with a ruler. Sometimes affixing paper with drafting tape solves slipping. Recut or remeasure rather than forcing another imperfect pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.